and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my shorts, I am on the search for the UK's best full English breakfast, and I'm really excited about this week's because it comes on a recommendation of a really good friend. He knows his food, he loves his breakfast, and where better to go for a full English than inside an award-winning butcher's shop. So join me now as we head to Upton's of Bassett in Southampton for a full English breakfast with homemade black pudding, homemade sausages and homemade collar bacon. Really excited, let's go, watch this. That was a great full English. We got seduced by the menu and also ordered the steak and eggs, which came out rare, seasoned beautifully, nice fried egg on the side. We also saw a couple of steak wraps come out, so we had to have one of those. Beautifully wrapped, crispy on the outside, tasty on the inside. It's a little bit spicy, but we love a bit of spice. I'm really looking forward to going back, and I think in my search for the UK's best full English breakfast, if I was in Southampton, Upton's of Bassett would be the place I'll be heading for great meat, great produce and a great full English breakfast. Or steak and eggs or a steak wrap. It was all good. Good coffee too, well done. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to follow the journey in my search for the UK's best full English breakfast. Like I said, if you're in Southampton, go and sit inside a butcher's shop, an award-winning butcher's shop, and have a full English. See you next time, bye now.